In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your liftgate support on your Kia Soul. It's located on your liftgate. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and pull out on this little clip. And as you do, I'm going to pull this away. I do have a support on this side installed between my bumper and the liftgate. If it doesn't seem like it wants to come out after you pull that out, you can use a trim tool and give it a little persuasion. Just don't bend it too hard. And it should pop off. Again, using a flathead screwdriver, I'm going to pry this up and pull that off. Now you can push it on. And if you need to, you can lift up on this if it's fallen a little bit. And push it on. Remove your support and check your work. Looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.